Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be comparing two of the big online courses and share with you how I spent over $10,000 in stock online courses that you have probably seen ads for if you've searched anything about the stock market. And there's going to be a ton of websites and online courses I'm going to be talking about, so all the links to every single one are in the description. And I'll answer the big question of, are any of these scams? So let me explain my expensive road to being a successful trader. It started with my Raging Bull journey. I started swing trading small cap stocks with Jason Bond. I think it was around $300 for 3 months at that time, and that's what kicked off my trading. Then I dibble-dabbled with trading and bought some Black Friday sales, first being a $100 course with Kyle Dennis, who mostly focused on biotech stocks. Then another $120 course by Petra Hess, who really focuses on risk management. Both of those were with Raging Bull. Then I did a little trial with Timothy Sykes, and I don't think I paid anything for that, but he's also a small cap trader. Then I learned that there were options that make big percentage gains with stocks such as Apple and Amazon. So I bought a $3,000 course called Traders Council. That one was okay. I learned about trading SPY options with Davis Martin, who ran Daily Profit Machine, and I still use some of those strategies. But it's now run by Ben Strugel. I also learned from Jeff Williams with Penny Pro. He mostly focuses on buying really cheap penny stocks at the end of the day and then selling them in the morning. But Jeff and Davis, they both ran Trader Council together. I learned a lot from them, but I didn't find success yet. Then I saw a sale for the big Millionaire Roadmap course that is now discontinued by Raging Bull. So that was another $3,000, and that was with a huge sale of apparently 70% off. In this room, I found very little success, but there were a lot of moderators in that room and a ton of content, so I did learn some stuff. Then I heard about Nathan Baer, and he was swinging options for big gains. So I got in Weekly Money Multiplier. I believe that was around $2,000 at the time, and now it's around $2,000 or $3,000 depending on which subscription you choose. But Nathan Baer is an awesome person and an awesome options trader. I learned the most from him. If swinging options is something you're interested in, I definitely recommend Weekly Money Multiplier with Nathan Baer. At the time that I was in the service, Jeff Bishop was also part of it. I'm not sure if he is still, but he rarely did much in the room, but he did share his videos that taught his strategy. So I learned his option strategy. Then the Millionaire Roadmap completely discontinued and changed to the bullpen. And that's when I heard about option spreads. And that's when Jason Bond started his weekly windfalls course. That was another $1,500, but I called Raging Bull and complained about the changes of Millionaire Roadmap, and they gave it to me for free. With this service, I learned absolutely nothing. Everything I learned about option spreads, I learned from Tasty Trade, which is the learning center for the broker Tastyworks. And it's free, and the link's in the description. But with weekly windfalls, Jason Bond really didn't know what he was talking about. Out of any course that I was in, that one was the most like a scam. At this point, I was red on my P&L year after year and taking losses on every service offered by Raging Bull. I don't want to say any of them were scams because they honestly mean good and the customer service I got was good, and people do find success with some of their courses. So there was value. I just got upsold on every single course they released. I don't regret buying any of them because it did boost my learning curve, but there are for sure better ways to learn the full picture of the market other than Raging Bull services. And if you do choose to go with Raging Bull, be ready for upsell after upsell. Speaking of upsells, you might as well just like and subscribe so that you can get more content from my channel. Anyways, after spending all this money in services, I then decided to invest in my own tools and make my own system go my own way, because that's what every single guru in Raging Bull had done. They created their own system. So I bought Trade Exchange for a news service that's $450 a year. They are an awesome, affordable news service. Then I bought Trade Ideas, which is an awesome scanner, and it was $1,000 for a year subscription. And I started working on my own strategies and my own plans. I found a ton of success for about 2 months. Then I lost all my gains in 2 trades. I got trapped in an offering for a $17,000 loss, and then I got hosed in some risky options for about a $28,000 loss. That's when I found TrueTrader. TrueTrader was the cherry on top for me. At the time, it was much different than it is now. I started with just a 3-month plan for around $400, and there were about 60 people in the chat room. And Dan would trade live. And wow, was I impressed. The mods and the traders in TrueTrader are truly the best traders I have ever seen. And they truly care about the members in the room. Adriano is one of the owners, and he casts a huge shadow over anybody at Raging Bull. They primarily teach how to trade in the first hour of the market open. TrueTrader, I would say, was the tipping point for me. Actually, once I joined TrueTrader, I quit my job, and I now am self-sufficient and reliant on my own trading strategies and styles. The biggest difference between Raging Bull and TrueTrader is the value. With Raging Bull, they upsell you and upsell you to get more value. With TrueTrader, they have added an insane amount of value for free. They don't try and upsell you. Yes, I have an affiliate link, and so it sounds like I'm a little biased towards them, but remember, I did start out buying a ton of Raging Bull courses, and I'm just stating my honest opinion here. TrueTrader just clicked with me. There are still some other courses that I want to try, and that is Warrior Trading with Ross Cameron. I have yet to do that one, but I have followed him and kind of know the idea of his strategy. I trade a lot of strategies, not just ones from TrueTrader or from Raging Bull. I kind of mix and match using my own knowledge from each service to create my own system. The last thing I want to share with you is something that helped me so much after taking all of these courses and being filled with so much information. I created my own style, and I did this by making my own plans and journaling them. So then I could go back and see what was working for me and what wasn't. And right now, I am building a plan creator calculator and a journal that can help you find what trading strategies work for you. And I'm giving away the first 100 subscriptions for absolutely free when it's released in October. So be one of the first 100 to subscribe to TraderCreatorPro. The calculator is awesome. It helps you know exactly what your risk reward is, and so then hopefully you can create a habit of having a plan before you enter a trade. And then you can journal it so that you can know exactly which strategies, even strategies you've created, what ones work for you and what ones don't. So like, subscribe, and sign up for that. Be one of those first 100, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.